So this is kind of another unboxing, but we're just showing you now the 2011 Hydroboost. So eventually I'm going to take this out, my stock one, and clean up the boost, or the brake booster thing or whatever. Brake reservoir, what you want to call it. And we're going to be putting this one in. Here's the part number. I'll put down link below to grab it. So I don't want to unwrap it all yet, but also too, I'm going to put down the link below for this drill bit, 41/64 drill bit that you're going to have to drill. Some people say they don't have to. Some people say they had to. You drill out that hole a little bit more with this bit. And like I said, I'll put this down below to grab it too, so you just have it, but you just drill that one out a little bit more. And yeah, so hopefully this goes in good and everything looks pretty cool. So it's kind of nothing too special or like trying to show if I have to show anything, but it's just one of the upcoming videos I'm going to be doing, so excited for that, for some good stopping power.